Good morning, children. Today we'll start new topic, ordering. It means arrange the number. Ordering means arrange the number. There are two kinds of ordering. One is increasing order, one is decreasing order. Increasing order means arrange the number from smallest to biggest. Means like this: smallest to bigger. Okay. And another one is decreasing order, arrange the number from biggest to smaller. Biggest, then small, then smaller, then smallest. Okay, got it? So this is the means for your better understand. Increasing order, how you will first you will keep small number, then little big, then big, then bigger, then biggest. From these numbers, which one is the biggest, it will come last. Okay. In decreasing order, first big, then small, then smaller, then smallest. Okay, like this example I am given. So like this one is first will be the small, okay, then big, okay, then bigger, then biggest. Okay, and this one big to small. So first big, then small, then smaller, then smallest, like this. Understood? So this is the concept of increasing and decreasing order. In the number, how we will do? So here example given 13. From 13, big one, 13 is small, then big is 15, bigger is 16, biggest is 19. And in decreasing order, 18 is big, then 14 is small, then 12 is smaller, 10 is smallest. Okay, same. Now we will do some example, then we can understand. Here 11, 13, 10, 12. From these, which one is big? So if you will not able to understand, first we will do all 1 are equal, so there is no need to changes. Then from this ones place we will find out 1, 3, 0, 2. So children, which one is very small? 0. So 10 is come first. Then again after 0, but which one is came? 11. Here is 11. Then 12. Here is 12. Then 3 is bigger, means 13, biggest. Okay. Then this one 16, 14, 18, 10. First all tens place are equal, so no need to change. Then what to do? All ones place will see 0, 8, 4, 6. From these ones place numbers we can find out which one is biggest. Small, smaller, big, bigger, bigger, biggest. Okay, so 0 is full smaller than everybody, so 0 we will keep. Then 6, 4, 8. From this, which one is small? Which one is small? 4 is small. 6 and 8. Which one is small? 6. Then last is 8. So we will keep one like this. Understood? Then now same 12, 19, 17, 11. This one you do yourself. Okay, 15, 13, 12, 20. Here 3 ones play in tens place. 3 numbers are same, 1, 1, 1, but this one is 2. So we can understood that this 2 is there, means this one is the biggest. Okay, from these 3 we will find out 5, 3, 2. Which one is smaller? From these 3, 2 is smaller, that means 12. Then 3 is 5 and 3 is small, so 13. Then 15. Then last is 20. Understood? So like this two questions you do yourself. Then arrange the numbers in decreasing order. It means bigger to smaller. Okay, so first one is same 1, 1, 1, 1, tens place all same. So 0, 3, 2, 6. From this 4 numbers. Which one is big? 6 is big. Then small, 3 is small. Then smaller, 2 is smaller. 0 is smallest. So all these 16, 13, 12, 10 is there. The same 15, 14, 12, 10. All tens place is same. So all find out with the ones place. 4, 5, 4, 2, 0. Okay. So these all are 1, 1, 1 same. So no need to find. From this ones place we can find out. So 5, 4, 2, 0. So which one is big? 5 is big. That means 15. Then 14 is small. Then 12 is smaller. Then 10 is smallest. Understood? Then now this one 11, 18, 14, 20. So this one we can easily find out. Or 3 numbers in tens place is 1 and another one is tens place 2. So that means this one is bigger, 20. Okay. Then 11, 18, 14. Tens place is same. So ones place 1, 8, 4. So which one is bigger? 18. Then 14. Then 11. Understood? So like this you arrange the number in biggest to smallest. Biggest to smallest. And this one is smallest to biggest. Increasing orders means what? Smallest to biggest. And decreasing order means biggest to smallest. Okay. So children, this 16, 17 you do in your notebook. If any doubt you can ask me in Google Classroom. And this number 18 is not necessary. You can do in your book. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. But these two 16 and 17 do in your notebook. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.